In a universe where technology reigns supreme, the power of a good PC build cannot be overstated. The right combination of components can turn a simple computer into a powerhouse of productivity, a gaming juggernaut, or a multimedia marvel. Imagine having your very own custom-built PC that fits your needs like a glove and doesn't break the bank. Today we're diving into the world of PC builds, specifically, how to create an impressive setup under 70,000 units of your local currency. Embarking on the journey of building a PC might feel like venturing into a labyrinth for the first time, but fear not. It's simpler than you might think. There are 5 key components to consider: the processor, motherboard, memory, storage, and graphics card. First up, the heart of your PC, the processor. The processor, or CPU, is the brain of your computer. It dictates how fast your system can complete tasks. For a budget build, consider the AMD Ryzen 5 3600. This processor delivers excellent performance for its price and will handle most tasks with ease. Next, the motherboard, the central hub where all other components connect. A B450 motherboard is a good choice here. It supports the Ryzen processors and offers room for upgrades in the future. Memory, or RAM, is where your computer stores short-term data. It's another crucial component that affects performance. For this build, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM is recommended. This should be more than enough for gaming and multitasking. Now on to storage. A solid-state drive, or SSD, can make your system feel much faster. For this build, a 500 GB SSD will provide ample space for your operating system and several games or applications. Finally, the graphics card. This is the component that will have the most impact on gaming performance. The NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super is a great choice for this budget. It delivers excellent performance for 1080p gaming. Once you've gathered all your components, the assembly process begins. Start by installing the CPU onto the motherboard, followed by the RAM. Next, install the motherboard into the case, and then the power supply. Connect the necessary cables, install the SSD, and finally, the graphics card. It's a good idea to consult the manuals of your components during this process to ensure everything is installed correctly. To summarize, a PC build with an AMD Ryzen 5 3600, a B450 motherboard, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 500 GB SSD, and an NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super will cost you less than 70,000 units of your local currency. This setup provides excellent performance for its price and is suitable for both work and play. Remember, the beauty of building a PC is that you can customize it to fit your needs. So don't be afraid to swap out components based on your specific requirements. Building a PC can seem daunting at first, but the process is quite straightforward once you understand the basics. And the satisfaction of putting together your own custom build is second to none. So why not take the plunge and build your dream PC today?